Hi guys, Angus here from AKAM Constructions.
And Hugh from Dusk Group.
And we're here at Aurora On Depper to give you an end of year construction update.
Let's do it.
So townhouses number 1 to 4, we've put the roof on, all framing is being completed. We've started the external cladding and services rough-in is underway.
What's the goal for the end of the year?
Goal for the end of the year will be to get the building fully cladded.
So just out the front of Townhouse 5, so external cladding's complete, doors are in, and insulation's ready to go for sheeting internally.
Building 2, level 1, all external windows and doors are in, insulation's in and sheeting's underway.
So guys, we're on building 2, level 2. 80% of the sheeting's done, all electrical and plumbing rough-in's done, and waterproofing commences next week.
We're here on the back of building 2, painting's fully complete. We'll work our way from here around the building with the goal to drop the scaffold in late January.